Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you trade crypto on Robinhood for beginners. Now trading crypto on Robinhood is beginner friendly. So what you have to do is, first of all, you want to download the application. You could either use a browser version or an app and create your account as well. Since I have already done it, so now you have to enable trade options. Once the account is set up, you want to navigate to a crypto section to enable cryptocurrency trading. Then you have to go to link your bank account and deposit funds to have available buying power for crypto purchase. Now then, what you have to do is, in the app or website, use the search function to find the cryptocurrency you're interested in. After which, tap on the desired cryptocurrency to view its detail. Then what next you want to do is tap the buy button and input the amount in the USD you wish to invest. After which, you just have to go and review the transaction details and swipe up or click to submit the orders. Then you have to go to manage your crypto profile. That means monitoring, holding, selling crypto, or transfer options. And likewise, these are some of the basic for a beginner, and you also need to consider some of the limitation, that is cryptocurrency availability, fees, as well as trading restrictions and security measures as well. So with that being said, we've come to an end. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.